Cian, where did you find this story?
Well, I was looking on the internet for some information about what I was searching up on was the March through Carnarvon. When I was looking on the website, I found it and I thought it would be quite necessary to what we're doing for our project. So I've written it down and I am typing it on the computer.
And what was this march? What was it that caught your attention about the march?
Well, it was explaining about what the women did in the war and why they were marching about, because of the men in the war, and they don't want war. They don't want to fight anymore. So they decided to do a march that went through Carnarvon under the banner, which is here, "Law, not war," which basically means it's not the best idea to fight in a war, and it's best to go under the law.
You found this yourself on the internet, or how did you know, where did you start? Did you Google something to find it?
I first Googled World War One information, and then when I was scrolling down, I found this part, so I decided to look at it, and it was quite interesting to me because I thought, as I said earlier, it would be very helpful for the project, and if I was to write it down and bring it into school, it could help a lot with other people as well.
That's right.
As in Molly and Ellie, they have this project, the part of the project which is called the impact of women in World War One.